Let's talk about the B word. No, not one. I'm talking about budgeting. It's a word that often gets a bad rap, but it shouldn't. For some of you, that word sends chills down your spine. You might think of it as a tedious task that only adds stress to your life. It sounds restrictive, boring, and maybe even a little scary. But what if I told you that budgeting is actually empowering? But let me tell you, budgeting is none of those things. In fact, it's the opposite. It's liberating. It's actually your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine being able to pay off your debts, save for your dreams, and still have money left over for fun. Think about it. Wouldn't it be amazing to know where your money is going every month? To have a clear picture of your financial health? Wouldn't it be great to finally ditch that nagging feeling of financial anxiety? To feel confident and in control of your finances? Budgeting can make that happen. It's not about limiting yourself, it's about making informed choices. It's about taking control of your money, making conscious decisions about your spending, and setting yourself up for a brighter financial future. It's about prioritizing what truly matters to you. It's about living life on your terms and achieving your dreams, whether it's traveling the world, buying a home, or simply enjoying a stress-free retirement. Welcome to Invest in You. I am Isaac. I'm here to guide you on this journey to financial empowerment. Ready to ditch the someday and embrace the right now? Let's dive in and take control of our financial future together. So how exactly does budgeting unlock your financial potential? It's simple awareness. When you take the time to create a budget, you are essentially taking control of your financial destiny. This process is not just about tracking expenses, it's about understanding your spending habits and making informed decisions. When you create a budget, you gain a crystal clear understanding of where your money is going. You can see the exact amounts allocated to different categories such as housing, groceries, entertainment, and savings. This clarity helps you to prioritize your spending and ensure that your money is being used in the most effective way possible. You see how much you're spending on necessities, like rent, utilities, and groceries. These are the essential expenses that you cannot avoid, but you can manage them better by being aware of their exact costs. How much is going towards discretionary expenses, such as dining out, shopping, and entertainment? These are the areas where you have more flexibility and can make adjustments to save money, and how much you're saving. Savings are crucial for building a secure financial future, and a budget helps you to set aside money for emergencies, retirement, and other long-term goals. This awareness is incredibly powerful. It gives you the knowledge you need to make smarter financial decisions and to stay on track with your goals. It allows you to identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending and redirect that money towards your financial goals. For example, you might find that you are spending too much on dining out or on subscription services that you rarely use. Maybe you're spending more on takeout coffee than you realized. Those daily lattes can add up quickly, and by cutting back, you can save a significant amount of money over time. Or perhaps that gym membership you never use is draining your bank account. Canceling unused memberships and subscriptions is an easy way to free up extra cash. By identifying these areas, you can make small changes that add up to big savings over time. Simple actions like making a shopping list before going to the store or comparing prices can have a significant impact on your budget. And those savings can be used to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, invest in your future, or even take that dream vacation you've always wanted. The possibilities are endless when you have control over your finances and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom means having the ability to make choices that are not solely based on financial constraints. It means living a life where money is a tool, not a burden. Don't just take my word for it. Many people have transformed their lives through budgeting and have shared their success stories. You can be one of them. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more empowering financial tips. Together we can achieve financial success and live the life we've always dreamed of. Now, you might be thinking, Isaac, this all sounds great in theory, but show me the proof. It's a valid question, and one that many people have when they first hear about the benefits of budgeting. After all, it's easy to be skeptical about something that requires discipline and effort. Well, you're in luck because the data speaks for itself. Numbers don't lie, and the statistics surrounding budgeting are compelling. When you look at the financial data, it becomes clear that budgeting is not just a theoretical exercise, but a practical tool that yields real results. Studies have shown that people who budget regularly are more likely to achieve their financial goals. This isn't just about saving money, it's about making informed decisions that align with your long-term objectives. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or simply enjoying a debt-free life, budgeting can help you get there. According to a recent survey, individuals who budget are 38% more likely to have a retirement plan and 32% more likely to have an emergency fund. These figures highlight the importance of planning for the future and being prepared for unexpected expenses. These are not just random statistics. They represent real people taking control of their finances and securing their futures. When you see families celebrating financial milestones, or individuals smiling at their financial achievements, you realize that budgeting is a powerful tool for financial empowerment. Furthermore, research indicates that budgeting can significantly reduce financial stress. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going and having a plan in place for every dollar. This level of control can alleviate the anxiety that often accompanies financial uncertainty. By creating a plan for your money, you eliminate the worry and uncertainty that often comes with financial instability. You can make informed decisions without the fear of overspending or running out of funds. This proactive approach allows you to focus on your goals rather than constantly worrying about your finances. You gain peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Whether it's an unexpected medical bill, a car repair, or even a job loss, having a budget ensures that you have a safety net in place. This confidence allows you to live your life more fully, enjoying the moments that matter most without the constant burden of financial stress. The benefits of budgeting go far beyond the tangible financial gains. It also has a profound impact on your overall well-being. When you're in control of your finances, you feel more empowered, confident, and secure. This newfound sense of control can positively influence other areas of your life, leading to improved relationships, reduced stress levels, and a greater sense of purpose. Imagine the freedom of knowing you can afford that dream vacation without going into debt. Picture the joy of being able to generously support a cause you care about. These are just a few examples of the life-changing experiences that become attainable when you embrace the power of budgeting. It's not just about money, it's about living a richer, more fulfilling life. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about budgeting. Many people avoid it because they think it's all about deprivation and restriction. They envision a life of saying no to everything fun and living like a minimalist monk. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making conscious choices about what matters most to you. It's about aligning your spending with your values and priorities. If travel is your passion, your budget will reflect that. If dining out brings you joy, you can allocate funds accordingly. The key is to be intentional with your spending, and make choices that align with your overall goals and aspirations. The beauty of budgeting is that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Your budget should be as unique as you are, reflecting your individual income, expenses, and financial goals. There are countless budgeting methods available, from the 50/30/20 rule to the zero-based budget, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The key is to experiment and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to adjust and refine your budget as your income, expenses, or financial goals change over time. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously learning, adapting, and making informed decisions to secure your financial future. In conclusion, budgeting is not just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about taking control of your money and ultimately, your life. It's about empowering yourself to achieve your dreams, live with less stress, and create a brighter future. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of budgeting today and unlock your full financial potential. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more empowering financial tips and tricks. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Make it count.